Well, hello and welcome to Gear Gyan with me, Sahil Jagtiani, where we talk about all things related to the Indian guitar gear scene. And today it's ready. This is part 2 of the Thinline Telecaster build. But before we get into that, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. The build is ready. It's a beauty. It's a beauty, baby. Oh yeah. I had to do a couple of things. One is I sent across his body to Mr. Fero's mystery. It's not a mystery why it's so good, because it went to Mr. Fero's mystery. He didn't have the neck, so he didn't have anything to really go by. So there was a little bit of slightly extra bit of cutting in the the neck pocket when he was sanding it out to get the neck to fit. Because I didn't send him the neck, he didn't have the exact measurements. There is like maybe a 0.5 mm, little bit of a gap there, but it's not making so much of a difference because the neck is hitting the body pretty nicely. It's pretty cozy from the other side. Yes, there is a bit of a cosmetic scratch from some of the sanding over here. I'll put a close-up of it in a bit. Not a deal breaker at all. Other than that, this neck feels fabulous, okay? Even now when you're gonna hear Ashwin play, into the Plini plugin, he had just one thing to say. He said, this neck is playable. That's all he said. He said, this neck is really playable. It's so smooth, it's so amazing. And he was so happy with it. For me, personally, it's phenomenal, okay? You're gonna hear him go into the Plini plugin, 5-way switch. We did change out the pick guard. There's a reason for that, because it looked terrible when we fitted it on. So I was like, let's just wait for a new one to arrive. So it took a bit of time before this video came out, and it's worth it. As you can see, looks gorgeous. All right, Fender neck plate at the back. I'm very happy with this build. The only thing I might add are locking strap buttons. Okay, other than that, I think it's perfect. All right. And another thing that happened was when we were attaching the neck pickup to the pick guard, somewhere along the line with the new pick guard, I think the third wire, okay, which is attached to the casing, that sort of got loose, okay, and we had to resolder that. That was a bit of a task. Once that got done, we refitted everything, and now it's playing beautifully. You're going to find out Ashwin to the Plini plugin VST clean crunch high gain. Let's get to it. So that was the playthrough. What did you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Would love to know what you thought about it. Here are my thoughts. It's a fabulous instrument. It plays phenomenally well. It sounds really, really good. Now, I have a 12-string telly. I'm going to put this 5-way mod on that as well, for sure. If I get a Nashville telly, I won't put a 5-way mod. I'll put a 10-way switch. Or maybe have a S1 switch or one of those blend-in neck pickup options, you know. But for me, what I found was, especially in position 2, the out of phase quacky sound. Wow, I mean, that was amazing. That was phenomenal. Regular telly in the middle, humbucker sounded fat, and the neck was fine. Surprisingly, even though I didn't tell Brigu what the calibration of this pickup was, he's matched it perfectly, and they're really good together. This was the custom shop bridge pickup which I bought, second hand, and this was the one that Brigu made for me. Brigu from the Tone Door. Thanks a lot for making this pickup. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Just go there and check it out. He makes some really good pickups. He does some really good electronic work also as well. Yeah, so getting back to this, is there anything else I changed besides the strap buttons? Yes, the saddles. I mean, I like the look, but I think I'm going to put graphic, barrel saddles with, I think, the tusk material. I'm not sure. And yeah, I think those are black in color, so it looked good. It looked like very, very color coordinated. But all in all, has this build been successful? Oh yeah, it has been an absolute success.